Welcome to Capstone Project and Case Studies. In this unit, we'll be navigating the complete business of agriculture, all the way from farm to market and beyond. Now, let's examine the key agribusiness models that are used around the world in different agricultural systems. We'll explore diverse approaches to farming and value creation that various agricultural businesses employ globally. First, let's look at smallholder farming, which involves farmers cultivating relatively small plots of land. These farmers typically use traditional methods and techniques that have been passed down through generations. They primarily produce crops for local consumption, though they may have some surplus to sell in nearby markets. Smallholder farmers often face significant challenges, including limited financing options and restricted market access. Next, we have large-scale commercial farming operations that operate on a much bigger scale. These farms are highly mechanized and optimized for maximum efficiency in their operations. They typically grow crops intended for export markets or for industrial processing and manufacturing uses. Large-scale operations benefit significantly from economies of scale and advanced technology investments. Another important model is contract farming, which involves specific agreements between farmers and businesses. In this arrangement, farmers agree to produce specific crops for particular agribusiness companies. Farmers receive guaranteed markets for their produce, along with technical support and guidance. However, they may have limited control over pricing decisions for the crops they produce. Finally, we have cooperative farming, where farmers work together in collaborative arrangements. In cooperatives, farmers share valuable resources like machinery, equipment, and marketing efforts. This allows them to access economies of scale and negotiate better prices for their products. Cooperative farming does present challenges in management and ensuring equitable benefit distribution. Now, let's focus on agribusiness models, specifically in emerging economies around the world. These models must balance economic growth with important social and environmental sustainability considerations. One key approach is vertical integration, where companies control multiple production stages. This strategy allows companies to enhance product quality while simultaneously reducing operational costs. Another emerging trend involves agri-tech startups that bring innovative technology solutions. These startups improve productivity, market access, and financial services available to farmers. Finally, we have integrated agro-industrial models that link agriculture with industrial processing. This approach creates complete value chains and promotes rural economic growth and development. Let's now explore the agribusiness model canvas, which is an important strategic tool for agricultural businesses. This powerful framework helps define and visualize all key components of agricultural business ventures systematically. Now, let's examine the various benefits of using the agribusiness model canvas in your operations. This strategic tool provides exceptional clarity and supports sustainable growth for agricultural businesses. The first major benefit is clarity, which the canvas provides through its comprehensive overview. It shows clearly how all business components interact with each other in a concise visual format. Another significant advantage is enhanced strategic planning for your agricultural business. The canvas facilitates informed decision-making by focusing attention on critical business aspects. The framework also actively encourages innovation within agricultural business operations. Its structured approach helps uncover new opportunities in processes, marketing, or products. Finally, the canvas enables much easier communication with various stakeholders and investors. Its visual nature simplifies sharing your complete business model in an accessible format. Now, let's walk through the systematic steps to develop your own agribusiness model canvas effectively. We'll follow a structured approach to building a comprehensive and effective business model. The first step is to clearly define your customers and understand their specific needs. Identify your target audience, their requirements, and how your offerings provide them value. Next, articulate your value proposition clearly and compellingly to potential customers. Explain what unique products or services you offer and why customers should choose you. Then, Determine your distribution channels and customer relationship strategies. Decide how you will reach customers and what types of relationships you'll build with them. Identify your key resources and essential business activities required for operations. List critical assets like land and equipment, plus actions like cultivation and distribution. Finally, outline your cost structure and revenue generation model comprehensively. Detail how your business will generate income and what major expenses will be involved. Let's explore the layers of an agribusiness plan, which provides structure and depth to your agricultural venture. Each layer adds depth and reach, building upon the previous one to create a comprehensive business strategy. The foundation layer includes essential elements that form the base of your agribusiness plan. The executive summary provides a brief overview of your business, its objectives, and your competitive advantage in the market. Your business description should clearly state your mission, vision, goals, legal structure, and location details. Market analysis involves studying your target market, its size, current trends, and thoroughly assessing your competitors. The product or service line section details your offerings, their unique features, and the benefits they provide to customers. The execution layer focuses on how you'll implement your agribusiness plan in practical terms. Your marketing and sales strategy explains how products will be promoted, priced, and distributed to reach customers. The operational plan covers day-to-day operations, production methods, and staffing requirements for your agribusiness. The financial plan includes projections, balance sheets, cash flow statements, and break-even analysis for your business. Funding requirements detail the capital needed, how it will be used, and your strategy for securing funding. Now, let's discuss preparing a compelling agribusiness presentation to effectively communicate your vision. Delivering an effective agribusiness presentation is crucial for attracting investors and partners to your venture. To make your plan stand out, tailor your message specifically to your audience's interests, focusing on potential returns for investors or synergies for potential partners. Keep your slides simple and visually appealing, using graphs and charts to illustrate complex data clearly, and highlight only the most important aspects of your business plan. Most importantly, tell a compelling story that connects emotionally with your audience, and be thoroughly prepared to answer any questions with confidence and expertise. Let's explore the power of peer review and feedback in strengthening your agribusiness vision. This process is all about refining your agribusiness vision through constructive input from others. Peer review helps you improve your plans by identifying areas that need development. It allows you to identify gaps, refine your strategies, and strengthen your business assumptions. Another key benefit is helping you identify potential pitfalls before they become problems. You can uncover overlooked risks and challenges early on through thoughtful feedback. Peer review provides different perspectives that you might not have considered. You gain diverse viewpoints from various industry backgrounds and experiences. This process also helps enhance your credibility with stakeholders. You build trust with investors and stakeholders through validated and reviewed plans. Now, let's examine the structured peer review process for agribusiness planning. This approach provides a systematic method for receiving constructive criticism. The first step is pre-review preparation, where you organize your materials. Prepare clear, concise business plans that highlight key elements and sustainability aspects. Next comes the presentation of plans to your selected reviewers. Share your agribusiness ideas with peers or mentors to gather initial feedback and suggestions. The third step involves receiving feedback with an open mind. Listen openly to constructive criticism and valuable suggestions for improvement. Finally, you'll be making revisions based on the feedback received. Adjust financial projections, market strategies, or operational plans based on the input you received. Let's discuss real-world agribusiness challenges and the importance of reflection. We're learning from the dynamic and ever-changing landscape of modern agriculture. Market fluctuations present significant challenges for agribusiness operations. Volatility due to climate changes, political factors, and supply chain issues requires adaptive risk management strategies. Technology innovations are transforming agricultural practices worldwide. Adopting precision farming, artificial intelligence, and drones presents both opportunities and implementation challenges. Sustainability and environmental impact are critical considerations today. Balancing economic growth with responsible resource management and reducing ecological footprint is essential. Regulatory and compliance issues add complexity to agribusiness operations. Navigating complex local and international agricultural laws and standards requires careful attention. Labor and workforce management remains a persistent challenge in agriculture. Addressing seasonal labor needs, improving working conditions, and developing retention strategies are crucial. Let's review our summary of key agribusiness management concepts. Here are the key takeaways to remember from our discussion today. First, agribusiness models vary globally, shaped by available resources, technology access, and market conditions. Second, the agribusiness model canvas is a vital tool for defining and visualizing all business components clearly. Third, a well-structured agribusiness plan is crucial for attracting investment and guiding sustainable growth. Fourth, peer review and feedback are essential for refining plans, identifying pitfalls, and building professional networks. Finally, reflective learning from real-world challenges drives continuous improvement and adaptability in agribusiness operations.